YouTubers, I am coming to you guys with a hamburger mukbang. These are homemade hamburgers. I was trying to do the unique hamburger challenge, but I don't know if these hamburgers are unique enough. But if they are, the unique hamburger challenge is by Bliss Rowe. Go check out her channel. I have a cheeseburger here with sauteed onions and mushrooms and mayonnaise and barbecue sauce. I was gonna have fries, but they're taking too long, and I'm hungry. I haven't eaten today, and I have a Coke here. And if you seen my last video, I promised a story time. Today, Imani's up and Winter's asleep. Imani took hers early, but Winter kept on crying. So. I have so many onions and stuff falling off this burger. It's not real. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so good. No. The beans are over there because she's not going to eat it. She always acts like she's going to eat it, but really she's not. Yeah, but I don't think you're going to eat it. Go eat your beans. Or drink your tea. What? Anyway, let me get to the story time. Okay. Excuse me. I don't really know what to call this story time, but I'm just gonna tell you guys what happened. I got your drink is over there. Your drink is over there. Okay. This is around the time when me and my ex-husband first met. I think we only had been dating maybe a month. And we went out to the club. And at the club, his cousin was there. His cousin girlfriend was there. We were all having fun and stuff. And all of a sudden, while we were there, his cousin's girlfriend, his cousin got in an argument with his girlfriend. So they arguing, they fighting. They're drunk, of course, because we're at the club. Stop doing that. Go get your drink over there. No. So, excuse me. We decided I was gonna take her home, and he was gonna take him home because, they came together. So he was gonna drive his truck to drop him off, and I was gonna drive my car to drop her off. They were living in the same place too, but so he wouldn't be drinking and driving. So we're taking them home. All of a sudden, she has to go to the bathroom. And I'm like, well, we're not far from your house. She's like, no, I gotta go now, I'm like, okay, well, you gotta get out. Because you're not finna pee or get sick in my car. So I pull up to the store. on the south side of town. Now, I'm used to going to this side of town. My ex-husband is white. You know, of course, his cousin, girlfriend, or wife. But he had his friend with him. He's black, his close friend of his. So, I pull over. I'm not thinking. Actually, I don't think about that kind of stuff at all, really. Not too much. I do a little bit more than I did then, but we pull up there. She goes in to use the bathroom. I forget to put my car in park. My car's in neutral. I thought I put it in park, but it's in neutral. So they pull over too, because they think I pulled over. I come back out. I try to crank my car. Now my car is not in park. It's in neutral. So he takes his cousin's truck, hook it up to my car, trying to, you know, give my battery juice because I'm thinking that my battery died. So I keep doing that. His cousin gets out the truck. He's drunk. He starts talking shit to everybody. And there's a lot of people out at the store because a lot of people were out going to the clubs too. So it's part-time. Oh, stop doing that. Anyway, a lot of people out. So he gets out, he starts cussing people out, trying to fight people. He's trying to stop people from fighting. You know, his cousin, oh no, he's drunk, he doesn't mean what he's saying, he's drunk. So then, he challenged somebody to a fight. They punched him in the face, he fell. He got back up, they punched him 2 more times, he fell. He's still trying to stop him. So, he walks up to try to stop him. They punch him in the face. Then his friend tried to go and help him. Then they punch him in the face. So then by this time they all freaked out, right? She's upset because they're hitting her boyfriend. So he jumps in the truck. She jumps in the truck. They take off. Now while they're taking off, okay. There's a car behind them. There's a car in front of them. They're in the truck. They were trying to jump me off, so the cables were still attached. Yeah, it's very real good. I think this one time just good. Stop doing that. So they take off. They hit a car behind them. They hit a car in front of them. They turned, went down the street. The cables are still attached to the truck, and the hood is up. And they drove all the way home like that. Like, I still to this day do not understand how they didn't get caught by the police. In this place, this part of the neighborhood was like it wasn't even a neighborhood. It was right off the highway, and there's like a whole bunch of stores. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of stores, restaurants. I think there's even like a police station on the street. In this town, the police are always out. They're always hot. I just don't understand how in the world they didn't get caught by the police. They were literally driving with their hood up. I thought that was a crazy story. I thought that I would share it with you guys. I thought, you know, y'all might like that. I'm gonna go enjoy stories. I mean, of course, my car ended up starting to When I got back in the car after that, I looked and I saw that it was in neutral. And I put it in park and cranked up. But I had wait to tell him because he was already mad at me. Because to him, everything was my fault because I stopped at the store and the guy that hit him, I went to school with him and I spoke to him right before everything popped off, you know. Right. To him, because I knew him and I went to school with him. To him, I dated him, which is insane when you're dated. He was like one of the most popular guys in school. So everybody knew him. You know? Excuse me. Morning. No. Go watch your tablet. I don't know why we're so dark. I just don't want to charge it. Would you please have a seat? You're not finna drink all my drink.
No milk. No milk. You want yogurt to yogurt.
That's not milk, though.
Milk.
It's not milk. See, I'm gonna be moving this Coke back and forth because if I don't. Doc, is it story time I have for you guys? No. If you like your story time, comment at the bottom. I'll try to do more like would you please stop? I have to think of some more because there's I wouldn't say like a whole I don't know how many I can remember about. I got a couple of story times. Hey! Sit down. Stop standing up on my couch. Sit down. I don't even know why that TV's so silent. Anyway, don't matter. I got a couple of more stories that I could tell. So, this burger's really good. Like I said before, I don't know if we would call it a unique burger. Because I think it's something that they probably would. What, you want a bite? I'm gonna see if she's gonna take a bite. She took a bite. I'm really surprised, you guys. I'm serious. Usually when I try to give her a bite of food, she doesn't want to take it. You want another bite? You want some more? See, now she doesn't want any more. What are you doing? Don't do that. Don't do that. No. Like, do that when I'm not doing a video. The tripod fall over. She's walking and crawling underneath it. Hey, stop moving it. Right. Last bite. I'm gonna go. No. I'm gonna have to do that again. I'm glad I got two and didn't get one because, man, that was delicious. Mm-mm. I drained the grease off the hamburger meat. Let it cook some more. Took it out while they're still juicy. And while there's still a little grease left, threw the onions in there, threw the mushroom in there, sauteed them. And me, I'm already a person who likes barbecue sauce on their burger. Oh yeah. But yep, I think when I say my video's more planned out, I don't mean like the food, because I never know what I'm gonna eat unless I tell you guys I'm gonna eat this. But yeah, right now it's gonna be a lot more home cooked meals. I would want to record tonight, but I don't know, because tonight I'm frying chicken wings. Chicken wings are what's for dinner, which sounds so good. And I was like, I need a salad. But I forgot to get some lettuce from the store, so don't know about that. I want to go through baked potatoes. I don't know. I'm going to figure out what I'm eating tonight. But I did buy some neck bones. I did buy some mustard greens. We got some cornbread. I don't know what the side will be. In my head, I'll be like macaroni and cheese, but I don't know if I should do macaroni and cheese. But I'm gonna do a mukbang today. Probably the leftovers of that, because I cannot wait to get into this. Get into the neck bones. Like, I bought Louisiana hot sauce because I love my neck bones in some hot sauce. Okay, but I hope you guys will like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and Imani's channel, because apparently she's in my videos all the time ever since she was a little baby. And winter's up. Alright.